Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 13 for CBSE Board. Chapter number 5 Arithmetic Progression. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from 5.3. Question number 6. The first term and the last term of an AP are 17 and 350. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? Okay. Now try to understand. In an AP, A is equal to 17 and L, that is AN, is equal to 350. D is equal to 9 given. Find N and Sn. So in this case, AN is given and therefore by means of AN you find number of terms. Okay. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, and therefore 350 is equal to 17 plus N minus 1 into 9, and therefore 350 is equal to 17 plus 9n minus 9 is equal to 9n plus 8, and therefore 98 is equal to 350 minus 8 is equal to 342, and therefore n is equal to 342 upon 9 is equal to 38, and hence n is equal to 38. So how many terms are there? There are 38 terms. Now to find Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket A plus L, and therefore S38 is equal to 38 upon 2 into bracket 17 plus 350 and is equal to 19 into 367 is equal to 6973, and therefore there are 38 terms in given AP and their sum is equal to 6973. Okay. Question number 7. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D is equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. Okay. Now solution. AN in an AP, D is equal to 7, A22 is equal to 149 and N is equal to 22. Now A22, this is given, A22 is equal to A plus 21D, and therefore A plus 21 into 7 is equal to 149, and therefore A is equal to 149 minus 147 gives you 2, and therefore A is equal to 2, and hence Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket A plus L. So 22 upon 2 into 2 plus 149 is equal to 11 into 151, and therefore S22 is equal to 1661, and therefore the sum of the first 22 terms is 1661. Okay. Question number 8. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18. So here two terms are given. By means of this term, two terms, you find A and D. Solution. In an AP, A2 is equal to 14, A3 is equal to 18, N is equal to 51, and therefore D is equal to A3 minus A2 gives you 18 minus 14, that is equal to 4. So D is equal to 4. Now you know A2 is equal to A plus D is equal to 14 given, and therefore A plus 4 is equal to 14, and therefore A is equal to 10. Now Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and therefore S51 is equal to 51 upon 2 into bracket 2 into 10 plus 50 into 4 is equal to 51 upon 2 into bracket 20 plus 200, and therefore S51 is equal to 51 upon 2 into 220 is equal to 51 into 110 is equal to 5616, and therefore sum of the first 51 terms is equal to 5610. Okay. Question number 9. If the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of the first n terms. If the sum of the first 7 terms is equal to given and sum of the 17 terms is given. Now, sum of the first n terms, find the sum of the first n terms. Solution. S7 is equal to 49 and S17 is equal to 289. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and therefore S7 is equal to 7 upon 2 into bracket 2a plus 6d is equal to 49, and therefore 2a plus 6d is equal to this 7 upon 2 you transfer on this side gives you 14. So this is the equation number 1. S17 is equal to 17 upon 2 into bracket 2a plus 16d is equal to 289 given, and therefore 2a plus 16d is equal to this you transfer on this side gives you 34. This is equation number 2. Then solve this equation number 1 and 2. Subtracting equation number 1 from 2, 2a plus 16d is equal to 34 minus 2a plus 6d is equal to 14. Subtraction, change the sign. This a and this 2a get cancelled. 16d minus 6 is equal to 10d. And 34 minus 14 is equal to 20, and hence D is equal to 2. Substituting D is equal to 2 in 1, 2a plus 12 is equal to 14, and therefore 2a is equal to 2, a is equal to 1. Okay. Now Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into 2 is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2 plus 2n minus 2, and therefore Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2n is equal to n square. So therefore sum of the first n terms of given AP is n square. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.